Hey, how's it going, everybody? We are back here today at Mud Lake and gonna go hunting for this screech owl again. And today I am shooting with the Canon 90D. I've got the kit lens, the 18-135 on here, so we're gonna try this old puppy out. Nice thing with this camera is it does shoot 4K. It does have 120 frames a second slow-mo. This one is replacing the 80D, which is the one that I have. I'm going to be very interested to see how this camera works out, because this is something I'm considering trading in my 80D for. So yeah, let's see if we can find any animals to take pictures of. So the one thing I really love about this camera is the 11 frames a second continuous shooting, which is really nice because they've stopped making the 7D Mark II. So this 90D is actually replacing the 80D and the 7D Mark II. This guy has some big shoes to fill. I'm at the lookout, looking over top of the lake. And the lake is making these weird, almost grunting noises. I don't know if you can hear them. Listen carefully here. That's so cool. So, this camera is a lot heavier than the other cameras I've been testing lately. This is a DSLR. APS-C sensor, so it is the crop sensor, 1.6 times crop, which is nice for wildlife and sports photography and stuff like that. This is definitely a sturdy camera. Like, this thing could probably take some abuse. So still no sign of that owl. Got a squirrel that's right here. See? Look at this squirrel. Hey, squirrel. So one thing I love about this camera is it shoots up to 10 frames a second. Like, this is a fast little camera. And in live view, it does 11 frames a second, which kind of confuses me, but that's okay. And this little black squirrel's been following me this whole trail. I think he's waiting for a quiet spot so he can mug me or something. Dude, I have no nuts. That doesn't sound right. I don't have nuts for you. I don't have seeds. There we go. I don't have seeds for you. Walking through the woods yelling, I have no nuts, I have no nuts. I look like a crazy person. I always look like a crazy person, but like, this kind of puts the nail in the casket there. Well, this is interesting. If you don't want to cut down a tree, you could just decorate one in the woods. It is damn cold out and I'm freezing my butt off. That was cool. I have to say quickly, the one thing that does disappoint me about this camera is the lack of 24 frames a second. Industry standard, right? Canon, I don't know what you guys are thinking. Now I know there's a firmware update out for the VR and ERP. I don't know if there is one for the 90D to put the 24 frames a second in. If there isn't, there should be. Like, seriously guys, no sign of this owl anywhere. I think I'll have to come here with someone who has seen the owl, knows what to look for, because I have no idea what I'm looking for. Supposedly I'm looking for a gray owl in gray trees. I probably just walked right past it and didn't even notice it. You stupid owl, where are you? So I think we're just going to cross the street and see if we can find anything down by the river. Hey, birdie, birdie, birdie. Here we go. We got all sorts of ducks and geese here. Now, are they going to cooperate with me? Probably not, but I don't want to disturb them too much as I make a bunch of noise. So this goose, like, oh, he was right there. He was right there, like 2 feet away from me. If you like these videos and you want to see more from me, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video. I don't know if we'll see this guy in the next video.